Welcome back, guys. We're doing another unboxing just as you received the plastic glove from Hot Air Tools. Here comes FedEx with this. So, this is a new sponsor of the channel. I asked them if they would send me these, and they said sure. This is not a paid review. They sent me this. I didn't have to pay for them. I'm doing a review. This is unboxing. This ain't the install. This is unboxing. This is these are from N.R.T. All the parts are online. We have brand new rear axles. 4-fold 800. So I gotta bring this down. Okay, so basically what we got going on here is, try not to trip over the microphone cord. Is this axle right here fell apart, and I gotta get that out. I was gonna reassemble it, clean it up, but I can't find all the little ball bearings that go in there, so I'm gonna have to do this. And I'm going to hook a chain to that, hook it to the Grizzly, and see if I can yank that out. Got to move to 50 though. Got to see if I can do that. Get that out of there. Then I throw this in there, and then I take off that control, because the control arms, the bracket's all bent up, so I got to do fabrication on that. But I don't think, again, premiumparts.com for sending the premium.com or parts.com for sending. I'll put a link in the description to the website for sending out these parts. And if you haven't, go check out my other videos. I just did another unboxing video. This is January 29th, and I don't know if this video will be out today or not, but if it's not, this video was filmed on January 29th. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video. I will catch you guys on the next one.